Welcome to Math Magician channel. In this video, you will learn about how to use number line to illustrate the position of any rational number. So what is a number line and what are the rational numbers and how we plot these numbers on a number line? Just like assigning addresses to houses on a street, we assign addresses to the point on a line. It means a line having a number. We assign 0 O for origin, and the positive numbers are placed at the right side of the origin and the negative numbers are placed at the left side of the origin. But what about the rational numbers? Rational numbers are those that can be expressed in a form of m divided by n, just like these numbers. But remember that in a standard form of a rational number, the denominator is always positive, so place the negative sign with the numerator value just like this. When denominator is greater just like this, so remember that your location will be between 0 or 1, whether they are giving you the positive number, but when they are giving you the negative number, remember that your number line just you will assume between -1 and 0. Yes, I have a number that is 1 upon 2 that is a positive. It will be between 0 or 1. It is a positive fraction. Denominator is greater. It will be here. 3 divided by 8. So my denominator value is here and my positive numbers so always number between 0 and 1. But this is the negative number, so my location will be here. But how I can locate or how I can find the location of these points? Yes, so denominator, remember that you are finding here between 0 or 1. This is the key point number 1. Now move on key point number 2. Denominator value will gives you the information that you have to divide this segment into two equally part because denominator value is 2, and the numerator value will gives you the hint to jump out on 1 because the number is 1, so I can jump 1, so this will be my location. Let us try another example. The 3 number is giving you the information. Break down this segment between 0 to 1 into 3 equally parts. I can divide 3 equally part between 0 and 1, and the numerator value will tell us about the hint you have to jump up to 2 position 1 2, so my number will be here. I can easily find my number. What about this? Your denominator value will gives you the information that you have to divide this equally segments into 8 parts, and your numerator value will gives you the information you have to jump out. Remember that it's the starting point, that is the origin. You can jump into 3 times, so this will be your location, and I can plot here 3 divided by 8. But what about my negative number? The case of the negative number is entirely same, but the region will be different. It will be between -1 and 0. So you can divide denominator 2, you can divide this region into two equally parts. And 1 is the hopping or the jumping number, but remember that you will take a start from 0 because it's a origin. So your number will be here. And the same situation, if the positive number, your number will be here. Yes, so what was the new thing you learned today? How the numbers gives you the hints. It means you can listen your numbers wise. Were you able to plot rational numbers on a number line? I hope. Subscribe Math Magician channel, tips and tricks, many tips and tricks for you. Happy learning.